Ever wondered if YouTrip automatically converts currency? It's a question that often pops up, especially for first-time users. Let's dive right in and clear the air. YouTrip is essentially a multi-currency wallet. Imagine it as a digital wallet that holds various currencies. When you load money into your YouTrip card, you're essentially topping up these virtual currency wallets. Now, here's where things get interesting. When you make a transaction, YouTrip automatically converts the currency from your wallet to the currency of the merchant. For instance, if you're in Thailand and you pay with your YouTrip card at a local market, the system will automatically convert the Thai baht amount into the equivalent amount in the currency you've loaded onto your card, say, Singapore dollars or US dollars. The real-time exchange rate. You might be wondering, but what about the exchange rate? Well, YouTrip uses real-time exchange rates. This means that the conversion rate you get is the rate at the exact moment of the transaction. This can be advantageous, especially when currency exchange rates fluctuate. The convenience factor. This automatic currency conversion feature is incredibly convenient. You don't have to worry about manually converting currencies or dealing with foreign exchange fees. It's a seamless experience that makes international travel a breeze. While YouTrip offers a convenient way to manage your finances while traveling, it's important to be aware of a few things. Firstly, YouTrip charges a small fee for currency conversion. Secondly, while the real-time exchange rates are beneficial, they can also fluctuate, potentially affecting the final amount you pay. Yes, YouTrip does automatically convert currency. It's a feature that simplifies international transactions and makes your travel experience smoother. However, it's always a good idea to be aware of the fees involved and the potential fluctuations in exchange rates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.